Bitcoin just hit 30k, and in this video I will be discussing the most important resistance in this entire Bitcoin trend that we are currently retesting. And in this exact video I will give an update how important this level is, what will happen if we break it, and of course I will give big updates on the cup and handle breakout. I will go over price targets, I will talk about the super trend and much more important stuff. So don't forget to slap off that like button on today's update video. A huge update on my trade that literally made me more than $80,000 in a matter of 7 days. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's video. Can we smash it back above 500? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the imminent short term of Bitcoin. Of course, Bitcoin has been absolutely skyrocketing towards the upside, and we do know that this is caused due to the fact that these major institutions like BlackRock, Fidelity, Citadel, and Deutsche Bank are stepping in towards the market and all are applying for a Bitcoin spot ETF. Right now, we can see that Bitcoin is moving very quickly towards the upside. If we are looking at the RSI, Bitcoin is definitely creating some bearish momentum right now here on the RSI. It's indicating that currently we could be at the end of this move towards the upside. However, I won't be surprised if we do continue, but on the imminent short term, we could potentially see a small little pullback for Bitcoin, since we literally moved an approximately 17 to 18% towards the upside in a matter of just 30 hours. So a small little pullback won't be all too bearish for Bitcoin. And what I want to be seeing next year is a new consolidation phase. Maybe a bull flag getting created, maybe a symmetrical triangle getting created. So I'm going to be on the lookout for the next consolidation phase. Right now, I'm not really seeing anything yet so far, but we just have to be a little bit more patient for me to see that next consolidation phase getting created. And on that next consolidation phase, we could take another trade on the imminent short term. If I'm looking at the 4-hourly time frame, we can of course currently see that we broke the downtrend for Bitcoin, and basically after we broke this downtrend, we are significantly shooting towards the upside, and there's one gigantic level of big support for Bitcoin, and that is of course that previous low right here, the 29.7k, previously ran provided resistance. And personally, if Bitcoin were to go down here towards that level, I think the 29.7k level is going to be provide a huge amount of support for Bitcoin right now, especially since in the past it provided this resistance, and right now I expect it's going to be providing a support. And that is why I think it's super nice that we're already trading above this level, what could mean that Bitcoin is probably going to see an even bigger continuation towards the upside. Looking at my trades, currently I'm in an approximately 1.3 Bitcoin in profit. What is in about, what is it, 40 to 45,000 US dollars in profit. What is absolutely amazing to see here. Currently I've been opening up this trade once Bitcoin was trading around $25,000, and we're making a significant profit by Bitcoin moving up so quickly. I've been talking about my swing trade for quite a while because I was expecting this move was going to happen since Bitcoin was creating this beautiful falling wedge pattern. Of course, also due to the fact that these big institutions were jumping in towards the market. So I am not going to take any profits on this trade yet so far, and I will show you why I will not take profits right now, because personally I think Bitcoin is going to go up to $40,000. And in this video I'm going to quickly explain it as well, and it's going to be super important to be paying attention towards this very important update right here. So why I am currently not closing my trade right now maybe could be considered stupid, because Bitcoin is literally right now trading against resistance, right? We do know this was the most important previous resistance to break, and last time around we got rejected in this range, and once again right now we're in the fighting range. We are currently in the range where Bitcoin could get rejected or where Bitcoin could be breaking through, of course. And if we break through this region right here, break above that 31.7k, that previous high right here on the market, I can guarantee you Bitcoin is going to go up to $40,000. So this is going to be super important to be watching right now here. Also, if Bitcoin can be breaking above that previous high on the daily time frame right now, we can currently see, if I'm zooming in here, the daily time frame is currently getting retested for Bitcoin, and it will be super lovely to see if Bitcoin can close a higher daily candle than the previous high in the market. But currently what we're just seeing is that Bitcoin is retesting this entire resistance trend, and we could see another rejection or we could see a breakout, but personally I'm expecting we're going to see an even bigger breakout. So you can see it also right here. We're currently breaking out of the falling wedge pattern. To be very clear, the falling wedge pattern has reached its price target of 30.7k here, the previous high here on the market. So congratulations for anyone out there on the channel who did took the trade on the falling wedge pattern, and congratulations to everyone out there that did took the trade on this very big support target, because I said to everyone out there on the channel ever since we hit the highs right here that I was going to be longing Bitcoin on $25,000. So congratulations to everyone out there who did join me with my trade. If you're interested in joining me with my trades in the future, don't forget to check out the links in the description, because if you write a sign-up account, you can actually claim with the deposit bonus up to $50,000, and you can get 2 weeks of no trading fees at all if you sign up an account using the link in the description. So go to the link in the description, sign up an account, and trade with me right now. Furthermore, we can currently spot here that, of course, Bitcoin was also bouncing from the legendary support line, but basically there is just one thing that we're all looking at, and that is this weekly resistance target, the same level I just discussed on the daily time frame. It is such an important level for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is indeed right now trading at a super important point in the market. Previously, in the beginning of the bull market, this was the bull market support. Once it crashed all the way down back to $30,000, this was the support that bounced Bitcoin back towards new all-time highs. Once we broke below it, this was the level that provided us rejections and moved us all the way down to $15,000. And right now, we are once again retesting this exact level. So you can see how important this level currently is here. And you can see that once again, we're seeing a retest of this level. This is the second try. And usually, the second try is usually the more stronger one, and we could be maybe see more consolidation. Bitcoin being boring in this range, consolidate sideways before we're going to see that breakout. Could be happening for sure. But one thing is for sure, once Bitcoin breaks this level, the next price target is going to be all the way right here, somewhere around 46 to 43,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. What is going to be an absolutely mind-blowing 50% surge from here on towards the upside. So yes, if Bitcoin breaks this resistance, we're probably going to see much more momentum towards the upside getting generated. So get ready for that here. And what I will be just doing for now here is just keep my eyes wide open on this level. If we do break out, I'm expecting we're going to see continuation. And personally, I'm expecting we're going to be breaking out. And that is why I will be holding on towards my trades right now. Also, the daily super trend indicator just flipped bullish, what is also a very beautiful thing to see here. And of course, the cup and handle pattern is breaking out. Currently, we're at that very important resistance range. But as soon as we do break above this region, the cup and handle pattern is going to flow towards the upside and at least hit these targets around $40,000. So Bitcoin is looking like it is in a very strong move towards the upside, and this is just the beginning of another leg up here. Also, the fact that these institutions are currently stepping in towards the market, it could definitely cause a lot of buy pressure. And at the same time, the weekly MACD is about to be crossing bullish again here. And at the same time, more importantly, our Bitcoin dominance target also got reached around 52% here. So that is absolutely lovely to see. Let's see where we're going to head towards. I've said 52% is my target. After that, we could see some altcoins having some gains. Currently, we can see that Ethereum is taking back some territory on the market. So that is definitely lovely to see here. So let's see where it is going to be heading towards, but currently I'm still going to be very cautious for this. I'm going to be very careful. And that 52% was definitely my first target here. I still think it could go a little bit higher, a little bit more relaxation, just like we had right here, and maybe a new consolidation phase or whatsoever for the Bitcoin dominance. That was my brief update on Bitcoin. The main level to break is 31K, just like it was previously around, and we're going to be looking at it closely right now. Bitcoin is trading against critical resistance. I'm not going to take profits on my trade yet so far. Soon I will do a 100 to 200K trading challenge here. I traded this account from $50,000 last week all the way up here towards 107K. It was even a little bit higher last time around. But yeah, it was an absolutely journey here. And of course, I showed every single trade step by step on my channel. So yeah, if you want to be learning from this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I share all my trades step by step. I literally share to you guys out there on the channel. Once I was in a loss, I shared to you guys out there. Once I was in a profit, I will be completely transparent. That is what I'm doing on this channel, showing all the data transparently because I've got nothing to hide here. So thank you so much for watching towards an amazing new update video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.